how you can disable people from adding you on Snapchat groups. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, just tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. And now you'll need to go to the settings on the top right. Tap on the gear icon, and after you do so, you just need to scroll down. Now after you scroll down, you will see privacy controls right there. Now under privacy controls, tap on contact me, and here make sure that you have selected your friends only. After you've done that, you can just go back, and there you will see me in quick add option. Tap on see me in quick add, and after you do so, just deselect this. Now what will happen is people will not see you in quick add, so you won't get added to different groups by people you don't know. So yeah, that is basically how you disable different people from adding you on different groups on Snapchat. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye, take care.